Hello Himanshu. Yeah, let's record today at night, and the topic is Snyder Cut.
Best night ever. Hello, people. Yet we are back again.
Hello, people. It's back. We are after 1 week of gap for our
Yeah,
some personal work, but now we are back with a bang.
it's podcast time again.
Yeah, episode number 7, the finale of season 1. And
Sure.
today's topic is very close to Himanshu. I mean, very close to his heart.
Very close.
Even more than his any loved one. This topic is very close to him. Please, Himanshu,
Very
tell us
much
the topic.
indeed.
Yeah, please, you
Yeah,
must
so
have the
today,
right to tell the topic. Yeah.
today we thanks for giving me the pleasure of saying this, Kedar. But
Mhm.
yeah, we today are going to talk about the legendary, the most
Yeah.
awaited movie,
Yeah.
like the Snyder Cut, Justice League Snyder Cut, and also many other things.
Yeah. Today we will mostly be focusing on Snyder Cut and how its journey began and all that, and how it was very connecting to the fans, and how it was a revolution for fans, and
Yeah,
some topics related to that.
yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, so this uh, first I would like to tell that I am a huge Marvel fan, as you know, and Himanshu is a big DC fan. But
Yeah,
actually,
like I would say, Kedar, you were a former toxic Marvel fan, and I was a
yeah,
former DC toxic fan.
yeah, because we were kids while that time, but now we are mature
Yeah,
adults. I mean, I can
yeah.
assure
Now we know.
that. Yeah. So I would like to tell that I saw first DC movie. It was Batman versus Superman. It was summertime
Oh
because
yeah,
there were news like Batman versus Superman and Civil War were
yeah.
coming up, and
Mm-hmm.
BVS was the first film to release. And
Mm-hmm.
honestly, to say that was something different kind of uh,
Approach.
superhero experience. Yeah.
Acha.
And when I got to know that this movie is just the
Mm-hmm.
second part of Man of Steel. I mean,
Yeah,
we can say that. And the third part will be Justice League. I was excited
yeah,
because Gal Gadot's Wonder Woman just, I mean, she made me a fan. And then cameos of, I mean, small clippings of Aquaman, Flash,
yeah.
and Cyborg in BVS made me more excited.
Mm-hmm.
And now I will further not talk and let Himanshu. Yeah.
Yeah. So, if you would like to know, like, Batman versus Superman was the movie which brought me into watch Hollywood. Before that, I don't used to like have so much interest, but after Batman vs Superman, it all
Mhm.
changed. So like
Mhm.
it was summertime, and
Mhm.
there was a lot of buzz going around. Like oh
Mhm.
अभी बैटमैन ना वाट लगाने वाले सुपरमैन की.
Mhm.
And other friends were saying क्या तू भी बात कर रहा है सुपरमैन तो ऐसे ही मसल देगा बैटमैन को. And like
Mhm.
I was like an alienated. I wasn't
Mhm.
knowing what was going on. So like let's give it a shot. I went with my friend to watch Batman vs Superman, and, and
Mhm.
then the rest was history. Like
Yeah.
I grieved so much on the death of Superman. I
Mhm.
didn't even like know his full powers, like which comic is he from, but I grieved that a lot. Then I started
Mhm.
researching about it and became a fan.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah,
I mean, yeah, that was very new for us because Superman being Superman and he can die. I mean,
yeah,
uh, that was very shocking for us. A Kryptonian
Mhm.
alien with
yeah,
superpowers. I mean, a bullet cannot hurt him, but I mean, this guy dying was very
Yeah.
shocking because it has never happened in cinematic history that Superman dying. We have seen Batman die, or even a Flash die, but this was something very different.
Yeah. I was like consoling myself. That is not the real world. That is not in the real time. It's just movie stuff. So that's
Yeah,
how I
yeah.
was compressing my sadness.
But yeah, I mean, I have मैंने मतलब मैं जब गया था मूवी देखने मैंने बस एक ही ट्रेलर देखा था द वेरी
हाँ.
फर्स्ट वन बाकी कुछ देखा नहीं तो
Yeah.
when Doomsday came I was very shocked like अरे भाई ये क्या ट्रेलर में तो ये नहीं था but yeah so that was very shocking because I didn't knew how the story will go कि बैटमैन और सुपरमैन झगड़ रहे and then from where nowhere this Doomsday guy comes and Superman is begging in front of Lex Luthor. I mean, seeing a god begging in front of a human. I mean,
Yeah.
hello, what the fuck is going on?
That was spine chilling.
Yeah. I mean, seeing
Mhm.
Batman in killing mode. I mean, I have seen Batman in only just beating mode. And
Yeah,
he
Batman never
will be-
kills.
Yeah, but in this, I saw him. He was just killing the people and and saving Martha. I mean,
Yeah.
the famous Martha scene. Hello.
Yeah, that was that is a controversial scene. Like we
Yeah,
DC fans were bashed for that. Like that scene made no sense. But if you look deep into it now, you will know the depth of that scene. Like Superman cries for her mother. At that moment, Batman notices that, like, yeah, if someone who is grieving for another human being, he is as equal a human being as we all are.
Alien god type human god type is crying for a human mother. So yeah,
Yeah.
and that led to 2017 Justice
Oh
League.
Lord.
I mean, to be honest, when I got to hear that Joss Whedon is going to direct some other remaining part, I mean, I felt sorry for Snyder because I mean, rest in peace for Autumn. I mean,
Yeah.
so I mean that was very disheartening for the Snyder family. But
Yeah.
when they gave chance to Joss Whedon, I was like, this guy has made many good things. I mean, he was the first guy to assemble a superhero movie. I mean, Avengers,
Yes.
Age of Ultron, then Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I mean, the series he made, and then he was directed a many Office episodes and many other kind. His work was good. So I was, कि yeah, ये बंदा Avengers बना सको, Justice League will be like a piece of cake
Yeah.
because it was an assemble movie, na. So and nobody has ever done before assemble movie, and Joss Whedon had done it 2 times, Avengers
Yeah.
and Avengers Age of Ultron.
That's why he was hired. Maybe.
Yeah. Because his work as a human, I don't know him. कैसा बर्ताव करता है वो नहीं मालूम. No, I mean we are like just a common man, but his work tells us that हाँ बंदा काम अच्छा करता है. So I was very okay कि हाँ चलो Justice League किसी के अच्छा हाथों में तो है. But when it got released and when I saw, I was like अरे भाई तो Justice League बनाना है, ये तूने Avengers बना दी.
हाँ ना यार.
Yeah, because he made, I mean, there are so many jokes and all that, and that's not DC. Yeah, there are some jokes. I mean, yeah, there are very subtle jokes, but this was just like, Marvel का feel आ रहा था. I mean, all that.
That was just Marvelization of a DC movie that I didn't like.
Yeah, nobody liked. I mean, those 2 hours. I mean, then we got to hear that WB has done major cut. I mean,
like I'll tell you how it all began for the
Yeah,
viewers
just
who don't know the story.
Just I want to mention for Suicide Squad also.
Yeah.
I mean, that movie was going to be very dark.
Yeah.
Very dark, very R rating. It was to be R rating because David Ayer has made many R rated movies of fighting and killing and all.
Yes.
But at 2016 was that also time BVS was released, but it got very not that much critical.
It
You
was
know,
thrashed. I'll be frank. It
yeah,
was thrashed.
yeah, yeah. And Civil War was also like, and later in summer, Civil War was released, and it had a serious tone and also a funny tone. So
Yeah.
WB cut the shit out of Suicide Squad and
Hmm.
made it a fun movie. And that's where the Suicide Squad flopped.
Yeah.
So yeah, and that's what happened to Justice League, and that's it. Now, yeah, I mean, I'm very sad for it. And today also we got to know that tomorrow, 27th March, we are getting the new trailer of the Suicide Squad by James Gunn. So
Yeah.
now I would like Himanshu to say how the journey started off from Justice League to Snyder Cut.
Yeah. So, like in 2000, like the preparation for Justice League began from 2015 only. Like
Okay.
when even Batman vs Superman wasn't even released. Like I saw few storyboards of Zack Snyder. Like he was working for Justice League since a long time. He was very much like enthusiastic about the project, like he is of any other project. So, like in 2016, or after the release of Batman vs Superman, a few months after that, WB officials like came to him and said ki like trim down the movie. Like the movie was supposed to be like 4 hours, and it was supposed to be cut in 2 parts. So like they said him ki make it light toned, don't like saturate all the stuff you have, and introduce few jokes. So he was still working on with that, but then a tragedy happened. Like her daughter Autumn Snyder passed away from a suicide event. So so after that, like he left Justice League to attend his family matters. And then like WB hired Joss Whedon, and then after that he has done stuff which we still regret. Like तू डायरेक्ट करेगा मूवी, ठीक है, तू टोन लाइट कर रहा है, ठीक है,
Yeah, he had
but
rewritten, reshoot many scenes. I mean,
yeah, but what is with Batman here? Like they just totally effed up Batman. Like he never smiles. Like that is his moral code. He never smiles. Also, like what were those
Superman.
cringy dialogues, man?
yeah. I mean,
Also,
Flash falling on Wonder Woman's chest while that fighting. That was
Yeah,
very
man.
sensitive. I mean, yeah.
yeah, actually, yeah, his behavior on the set was very toxic, as said by Ray Fisher, the guy who plays
Yeah.
Cyborg.
Yeah, because every shot in Justice League of Cyborg was a reshoot,
Yeah,
and of Flash also. I mean, the very famous
yeah,
Flash.
everything was reshot
Yeah. So
of
yeah,
these
that
two
was.
guys.
I was not able to connect BVS and Justice League.
Yeah, definitely. That's where the problem began.
I mean, अचानक से वो bug type इंसान वो रहता है ना.
Parademons just come,
Parademons.
flies through,
Yeah. I mean,
and explodes.
I mean, yeah, अचानक से क्या, and then mother boxes are introduced in a very unusual way. I mean, like,
Yeah,
I was not getting it. I mean, for story wise also, ki there is no connection in other DC universe. I mean, just heroes are getting introduced and all.
Yeah.
I mean, and that war, he explaining that in many few years ago, a war had happened and all that. And then, I mean,
Mhm.
I was not able to digest that what is the real work of those mother boxes. I mean, like in Avengers, in Marvel, that Infinity Stones had some purpose, na, individually. That Mind Stone will control the mind and all that. But there was not a proper explanation of those 3 mother boxes.
yeah,
They were treated like an entity. I mean, the way, and the villain also, Steppenwolf, so pale and
Yeah.
all that. The CGI, yeah.
Like if you look the Steppenwolf from Zack Snyder Justice League,
He looks
menacing,
above
like
that. He looks above
awesome
everything.
character. Yeah.
Yeah. He
What
looks the
they
guy who.
done to him in Justice League 2017, yeah. It was
Yeah.
like disaster. एक
Yeah,
तो
yeah, yeah.
CGI उसका ठीक नहीं था, if you would have noticed, and like
उसके
his
motive-
character was also dented a lot.
या उनका मोटिव क्लियर नहीं था कि ऐसे ही आ रहा है, कहाँ से तो आ गया प्लेनेट से, कोई उसको तो मदर बॉक्सेस कलेक्ट करना है, पर अभी क्यों करना है, पहला क्यों नहीं किया, एंड ऑल दैट. तो
Yeah, all of this was explained very nicely in the Zack
Yeah.
Snyder Justice.
That I would give a big thumbs up for Zack Snyder. I mean,
Yeah,
he justified why Superman died.
yeah,
I mean, Superman died for saving everybody, but what were the consequences of Superman's death?
yeah,
I mean, he dies and his voice, I mean, his cries just energizes all the three mother boxes back. That I thought
Yeah.
was very good writing. कि उसके सुपरमैन मरने के वजह से ऐसा कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हुआ, और फिर जस्टिस इशू, दैट वाज वेरी सूदिंग कि हाँ भाई, इसको बोलते हैं मूवी मेकिंग, इसको बोलते हैं स्टोरी राइटिंग, कि इसके वजह से ऐसे कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हो रहे हैं. हाँ, तभी देखने में मजा आया मुझे कि ओह, दैट वाज द रीजन ऑफ BVS, दैट वाज द रीजन सुपरमैन डाइड, एंड सुपरमैन डाइड, दीस आर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. आई मीन, लोग फिर से मारा क्राइम करने लगे सुपर मरने के बाद. ये तो फालतू गई है ना, मतलब पुलिस के ऊपर है थोड़ा सा. या
yeah, man. But still, yeah, the missing point, missing parts, like the missing parts in 2017 Justice League is what were making the plot holes inside the movie, which were
Yeah,
totally retained and showed us in this new part. It was very satisfying. And
Yeah, I
also,
mean-
man, the ending. What would you like to say about the ending? Flash. Oh man, Flash.
Flash just got his way to Flashpoint.
Yeah,
I
man.
mean, अगर ये, I mean, if in Justice League his powers were like he just can run fast and all that and create shock, and that
Yeah.
guy is going into Flashpoint would be very unsettling to me. But after seeing Snyder Cut,
Yeah,
the
man.
way they have written the character of the treatment to Flash,
Yeah,
his
yeah.
dad died and all, how his father is in jail, his love
Mhm.
life, how Iris West, his
Yeah.
actually speed and what he can do with, not just he can run fast, but he can also time travel a bit. Currently, he can time travel a little bit. He
Yeah.
can reverse time and all that. I mean, that was very satisfying. I mean, bro, this is what is Flash for.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Like
mean,
he said, I don't like to break this rule, but
Hmm.
when I move at the speed of the light, weird
Hmm.
things happen, and I was like, "What?" Like,
yeah. I mean, that's you call Justice League. सब कैरेक्टर का कुछ ना काम था.
yeah,
Like, मतलब Batman was to break the barrier, right?
yeah. Mhm.
Then Cyborg had to, remove the unity of mother boxes.
Yeah, yeah. He
And
was the
Flash
heart of the movie.
Yeah, and Flash had to just.
He was the main hero, by Flash. Like
Yeah,
he
Flash
only
had to bring.
saves the reality.
Flash had to bring power for Cyborg, and Wonder Woman, Aquaman, and Superman were beating the shit out of Steppenwolf and keeping him away from Cyborg, and that's you call the teamwork.
Yeah,
That's what is teamwork.
that's
And,
what is a league.
Yeah, that's what's the league. Yeah, but in
Mhm.
Justice League, I mean, मार रहे. I mean,
मतलब बाकी लोगों का तो कुछ काम ही नहीं था.
हाँ. I mean, Superman was just like catalyst to kill Steppenwolf in Justice League, but here he showed that who is the boss. I mean,
Yeah.
Superman was very badass. I mean, the way he just blows away on this axe, that axe just just cools down, and I mean,
Yeah, he
that was
disintegrates and like he's left.
I just shouted when oh sorry, that's cut it out. This is called Superman. I mean, superhero entry. I mean, he comes and then the axe just cannot hurt the Superman. No
Not
blood and everything.
impressed.
Yeah, I mean, wow. And then and killing Steppenwolf in front of Darkseid and challenging
Oh
him like
man, that
it
was
is
some
showing
heavy
like
shit.
middle finger. It's like showing middle finger to Darkseid.
Yeah, actually, I was like, what?
That's bad.
Edge of my
That's bad.
seat.
Yeah.
Man, the
Thought,
big daddy
अभी क्या
Darkseid.
होगा? अभी क्या होगा?
Yeah.
Oh. And Wonder Woman. Oh my God, her background music. Whenever she used to come, just goosebumps, bro.
Yeah,
I mean,
man.
the original tone was like "Ta-na-na." That was awesome, but that lady crying in starting in love, like oh boy.
Yeah. Too
Yeah,
like
awesome.
spine chilling.
Yeah,
अब तक तो memes भी बन रहे उस पे, but
but I mean, really, it gives goosebumps. Still, I mean, if I will listen it will. That's
Yeah, man.
because they brought the best music composer back, na? Junkie XL
yeah,
and Hans Zimmer started working. Junkie XL was not in Justice League for
yeah,
music.
yes.
Some other guy was hired,
Mhm.
but Snyder, while reshooting, again brought Junkie XL to make the music, and
Mhm.
it was fatte. We can see the
Okay.
result now.
Yeah. Every
mean-
time the Flash, the last in the last part when Flash goes back in time, the music. Oh my God, how gorgeous the music was!
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And
And by
they,
the Vision cyborg gets
yeah.
by
That,
resurrecting Superman.
yeah. We got a glimpse of Justice League 2, which would mean it will happen. It will be awesome.
Yeah.
Now there is a new
Like, I was
hashtag running.
waiting, I see.
Yeah, like bring the Snyder cut back. There is a
Yeah.
new hashtag running. It's restore Snyderverse.
Hashtag restore the Snyderverse.
Yeah. I mean, if
Yeah, guys, put that in the comment section. Let us
Yeah.
bring back Snyder's vision to the light.
the nightmare scene, I mean, I was waiting for the whole time for Joker. And
Yeah.
the way it came, I mean, awesome. And that explained the time travel, what we saw in BVS. Flash comes now.
Yeah.
Nightmare.
Lois is the key.
That Lois is the key. That was justified.
Like what shit they made in 2017. Lois is the key.
Oh,
Superman
I was
goes
looking
mad, bring Lois. That's why she is the key.
it was very, I mean, अरे मतलब meaning नहीं बन रहा बातों का.
Huh. That's
ये
how they
कैसा
tried
है?
to justify Lois is the key.
हाँ.
Very lame.
That
That's
was
what they call
reshoot.
lazy writing.
Yeah, that was reshooting.
Yeah.
But now I was, satisfied कि हाँ, okay, अभी वो time travel का meaning बनता है जो BVS में हुआ.
Also, bro, a fact. There is a fact that during the premiere of Batman vs Superman at the WB, like even before, like the first premiere होता है ना, WB के इधर releasing common people के releasing के भी पहले, सबसे पहले directors, officials सब रहते हैं. हाँ.
Yeah,
So
reporters.
at that time, the film got a standing ovation. Like everyone praised Snyder's work. But when
Yeah.
it released na, and after people's reviews, they just bashed, "Ki, we didn't like this from the start only. I know, we knew this would fail." This toxic is WB's administration.
Yeah. I mean, if see, the one thing only I love about Marvel is that they allow the director, the writers to work independently and freely. Just
Yeah,
Kevin
exactly.
Feige just tells them that this is our motive and this is our main story and this is how we have to work. Baki, they will not do any cuts or edits. They will just tell that this is we want, this is we do. And if you give full freedom to any director, writer, then you will get a nice product. But
Yeah, like
if-
Snyder cut.
WB was just comparing with Marvel. Yeah, acha, in a funny, because you can take Marvel in a funny way, but you cannot take DC in a funny way.
Yeah. Like
So
DC है उनका style है. Why to copy Marvel?
yeah, वही, because Marvel अगर टोन पकड़ता है डार्क, then it is also a hit, because if you see Netflix का Daredevil,
Yeah, I love
Punisher,
Daredevil.
yeah, so हाँ, मतलब तुम ले सकते हो, but DC can be achieved funny if the character is वैसा ना कि, I mean, Shazam, it was well written, nice movie. It had to be funny because it was upon a small guy, either 15 or 14-year-old guy.
Yeah.
But you cannot expect the Justice League, which has many dark heroes. I mean, Batman, Superman, Aquaman, Flash
Yeah.
just being a kid, and Wonder Woman, so and Cyborg. You had to keep the tone dark, a bit dark. You cannot put some random shitty jokes in it.
Exactly. So that's why, bro, कि like I made this hard decision like few days ago that I have now officially given up on DCEU, because after when the that WB official said कि we won't carry on with like we won't consider this Zack Snyder cut as the canon. So like I'm not really interested to see what they would continue after the 2017 Justice League. I don't want to again see that shitty Steppenwolf again, because he doesn't die, right? He just escapes. In
I
fear.
mean, yeah. I mean,
Yeah,
I don't think
want to
they
see
will
all
bring
that.
back. I don't think they will do the Dark Side arc ever, DC, because there are subtle hints that they won't do a Dark Side arc. I mean, I cannot see an arc in DCU. You know, I just see random movies.
Exactly.
Like,
Standalone movies हो रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Bas.
If they are not connecting stories now, then it doesn't gets you to call DC Extended Universe.
Yeah. Also, Birds of Prey. It was good. It was good.
Yeah, it was not that bad. It was an attempt to be a nice Suicide Squad. All that coloring effect, I mean saturation, all that.
Yeah.
Rating. Yeah, it was a fun movie.
Yeah. Margot Robbie did again awesome job playing
Yeah,
Harley Quinn.
Yeah, that's why I'm very tempted to watch the Suicide Squad.
Yeah.
Without
But
Joker.
still, bro, like I'll watch. Okay, like I'll get hyped for Suicide Squad and I'll watch it on the first day also. But still, I don't think so. I'll ever get hyped for DCEU again. Like, I felt bad. Like Zack Snyder cut won't be the canon. So it is what it is. So yeah.
But yeah, Snyder Cut was pretty awesome, pretty cool, and we now we have got the black and white version also of Justice League.
Yeah, Justice is great.
Justice is Grey, which has a little bit more nightmare, I think so. I mean, there were some leaks of Joker as a Jesus Christ and all.
Oh,
I think so,
right. Little montages.
Of Joker. That would be awesome to see. Yeah.
That might strike some controversies also. Joker as Jesus.
No, I don't, because it is apocalyptic world. So it might be chances that Joker is their new god. But the nightmare scene was totally bonkers, and I mean the Flash seeing him in different suit, Joker just insulting Batman. Yeah, Cyborg with the big cannon and all that.
Batman dropping F-bombs.
Yeah. And Amber Heard being there, I mean that I was why? Amber Heard in shoots. I mean, hello, please. You don't know what she has done, but you know.
That is a whole different other story.
Yeah. But I was like, okay, no problem. But when I got to her that Amber Heard is not the part of Aquaman 2, I was like, nice.
Like if
Yeah.
they cast Emilia Clarke, na, I am going to lose my shit.
Oh,
We would again see
because
Khaleesi again,
uh, we
and
would again to see Dothraki and Targaryen again,
yeah, man.
but this time in a PG-13 way, and not in a adult way. Yeah. That's what was today's episode, the finale
Yeah,
of our season one of
yes,
our podcast. We will be
yeah,
back soon, but with different content. Not a podcast will be back soon, but we are here to grow a little bit different.
and also, guys, keep watching these movies.
Yeah.
Watch the Snyder Cut and tell us what you feel
Available.
about it.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
available on Book My Show at
Hmm.
170 or 190 rupees. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
if they have done it made so properly again with a 70 million budget and Snyder
Yeah.
taking zero money, we can
Yeah,
we
no,
can
yeah,
we can pay 170 rupees.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's it. Life's good.
But it can be better.